What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we do have a new aircraft in the back, and I was wondering if y'all know what it is. I'm gonna give y'all a minute to guess what type of aircraft it is. It's been here maybe like a week or so. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all around after y'all guess. Put down in the comments below. All right, guys, if y'all guessed Commander 1000, y'all are correct. Let me go ahead and show y'all the little plate. It's a nice little aircraft. We've been having it maybe like a week, I said. Oh, where's the plate? Right there. Gulfstream Commander 1000. Yep. It is a twin engine aircraft. Y'all see, we do have the controls hanged up right now on the Cessna. We're about to go ahead and start priming. And we're getting this Commander ready for a stripper. With my glasses. But yes. It's a very simple design. I'm ready to start stripping. All right, guys, we finally did get done with the Commander 1000. As y'all see how beautiful it turned out to be. Let's get a little bit closer so y'all can see. Gotta watch out with the floor, it gets very slippery. I can't wait till we get done stripping and sanding so we can start on the design. Literally, the owner of this aircraft let us design this aircraft as like, he literally told us just go wild on it. So basically that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do our own custom design on this and see how it turns out to be. That's pretty much it for this video. Stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Peace. Alrighty, guys, well, it is the next day. We finally did get done with the stripes. We finally cleared the whole thing and it turned out beautiful. Look at the aircraft. Like, look at that gloss, look at that reflection. All these colors matched pretty well. Like, I was kind of judgy, like, at first sight. Like, I first thought about it, like, do these colors really match? But when we finally laid it down and unmasked the aircraft, it turned out beautiful. Well, alrighty, guys, this will be the end of the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Till next time, peace.